Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today we are making this sweet, delicious and beautiful mango sandwiches. Hope you guys like it. Okay, so for this recipe, take half cup of chilled whipping cream. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar and finally 50 grams of cream cheese. Now, using an electric whisk, I'm going to whisk this cream mixture for a couple of minutes or until we get a stiff peak consistency. Alright, you can now see that the whipping cream mixture is nicely whipped and stiff peak in consistency. So you can turn off the whisk and let this chill in the refrigerator until it's ready to use. To assemble the sandwich, place a slice of bread onto a sheet of cling wrap. Now add a dollop of whipped cream, or for an even layer you can transfer the whipped cream into a piping bag and pipe the desired amount of whipped cream. Using an offset spatula, let's gently spread the piped cream for a flat and even layer. Now place 2 large chunky slices of mango on top of the spread cream. Leave a small gap in the center and place the next slice. Now fill the center, the sides and the top of the mangoes with whipped cream. Now using the spatula, spread the cream to form a flat and even top. Place a slice of bread on top and tightly wrap the sandwich using cling wrap. This will help to keep the filling of the sandwich in place. Chill the sandwich in refrigerator for 2 hours. Alright, so after 2 hours, let's open the cling wrap. Using a serrated knife, let's trim the edges of the sandwich. Now finally, cut the sandwich in half. So make sure that you cut the sandwich over the mango slices in order to get a beautiful display of the fruit. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys again with another Scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.